sunshine, and welcome to my channel. I really hope you guys enjoyed here today's video. I'll be installing my first wig ever that will be sponsored by Beaufox. So they were kind enough to actually send me this WAVE curly 36-inch wig, and they also gave me a few goodies. So the first goodie they gave me obviously is a wig cap, even though this is not my color, my shade, but yeah, I know that this will be very useful in the future. As well as they sent me the nice pamphlet booklet. This wig is a 30 by 4 lace frontal water wave wig, darling. And here's the beautiful wig. As you guys see, it's already pre-packed. And the lace, I think the lace is bleached if I'm not mistaken, but it's giving white lace vibes to me, and it's pretty long. Hey, like I really do love this hair, and the texture of this hair is really good. Good quality, minimal shedding, if I could put it that way. Yeah, it doesn't shed a lot, and it came pre-plugged. And yeah, man, let's get straight into this video. Hi guys, so here, as you guys see, is that we are just plucking the hair just a little bit more so it can look natural, so it can look like it's coming from my scalp, child. So this is what we're just doing. She just put water and conditioner just to loosen the hair a little bit and to make it easier for her to pluck the hair. So here she was just pulling the hair back so it doesn't get in the way of her cutting the lace. As you guys see in these clips, she was cutting it in a zigzag motion so it gives it a natural look.
Toasting a good life, living every minute to the full cause I could die. Pull up at the spot, open doors and it's suicide. She the rent free, where the check please, couple hundred G's on a good night.
So here we were using the Got To Be glue to install the hair. We left it out a bit just so it can be tacky so that it can stick, the hair can stick to my scalp. She was using the three-way method where you first start with the sides, then go to the middle, and then end off with the side. With this way you ensure that every portion of the hair is glued on perfectly and it doesn't lift.
know you trying to hide from me? I don't know why you lie to me. I think you need to let go of your pride. My eyes are like I won't let you be the one who always hurts my feelings. I don't want to be with you if you keep on deceiving me with all these things you say. You know I don't believe them. Every time I let you in, you leave me bruised and bleeding. If you really love me, girl, then look into my eyes. Tell me all the things you told me that were really lies. You keep looking to the left and checking on your phone. What you think that says to me? You don't really care for me. Eyes are like a lie machine. I know you're trying to hide from me. I don't know why you lie.
Someone else told me what to do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I won't please you any way I can. I want you in my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me it all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
I'm not sure if you guys remember when I said that this hair is a water wave hair. So just to bring out the curls a little bit more, we just added water, conditioner and oil just so that you could see the curliness of this hair. This hair is really such very good quality. I highly recommend that you guys go get yourself this beautiful unit, child.
Make me believe your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist.
So here we were just adding a holding spray just to hold the style and that the hair is in place.
I'm chase beach views feeling every day. All I wanna hear is an vision that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Because you're away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. Kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you round, around. I want you round.
Booty so big, Lord, have mercy. Lord, have mercy.
Okay guys, so this is the finished product. If you guys want to know more about this company, the link and everything is in the description box. As you guys see, could see what lace, baby, what lace. I really do love this hair. The texture is amazing and just everything about it. It is a water wave wig and it's 26 inches. Without further ado, for me, baby Sunshine the hoodie. Bye.
That was enough. Too much, maybe then all you needed was a crutch. Yeah, 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 yeah.